Hello everyone, next we'll explain the button functions of DXL360S. Power. Short press the power to power on. Short press the power again to power off. 0. Short press 0 to enter relative mode, taking current position as reference point. The triangle icon appears on the display screen. Short press 0 again to exit relative mode. Long press 0 key to turn on buzzer alarm. The speaker icon shows on the display. The device beeps continuously. Long press 0 again to turn off the buzzer alarm. Hold. Short press hold to lock value. Unit icon flashes. Short press hold again to unlock value. Long press hold to switch measurement units cyclically. Default angle unit on boot. Height. Slope. Angle. Set. Short press set to enter gyroscope mode. Short press set again to reset data. Short press the power key to exit gyroscope mode. Long press set to enter device management page. English page. Chinese page.